Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing. Let's have a look at this new Yeezy release for August and see what it looks like in the hand. So we got this from Adidas South Africa. Actually wasn't that hard to get. Don't think a lot of people were interested in the shoe, although apparently it does change color in the sun, so I would be interested in trying that out. Okay, so the box looks pretty much the same as every other Yeezy. Plain brown, made by Adidas. I actually should get a new camera, or at least a camera stand, so this is easier to film. 350 Boost. Box is actually quite big, I have to say. It was also limited to one per person. Okay, so it doesn't say much on it besides Yeezy Boost 350. Tells you the color there, light, originals, the size. I'm surprised it doesn't say light orange though, because in the sun, well, when it does change color, there is a strip of orange. That's the first look. There, 350 V2, size UK 10s, color change due to UV reactive. They don't want people thinking it's just dirty. Quite a few tags to say the same thing. Okay, so it looks pretty much like every other Yeezy besides the strip on the side. That's the strip that lights up in the sun, or that changes to orange at least. Inside it just says Adidas Yeezy in orange, basically giving you a peek into what color it becomes in the sun. Made in Vietnam. Hope not in a sweatshop. Oh, do you see the underneath also has a bit of that orangish vibe to it. So the rest of the shoe in the sun also changes color a little bit to like a pinkish shade or a shade of pink. Yeah. It looks pretty much like every other Yeezy. It has this thing at the back, this tag. What's nice about the Yeezy is that they don't actually have tongues, so I mean that part doesn't, sometimes go to the side and inside the shoe, like how your socks does. And you don't need to retie your shoelace every time you're using it. It's basically like a slip-on, slip-off. Yeah, that's about it. The shoes are fine. They look very futuristic, but they're not the best looking shoe out there. Like, it has to grow on you. I'm actually looking forward to the slides that we'll be releasing in September. Hopefully I can get them directly from Adidas because I don't want to pay any premiums. Yeah, that's about it. Let's put this back away in the box. Uh-oh, looks like we have a visitor. It's my cat. He doesn't look like he wants to come out. He's just getting more comfortable there. Playtime. feel like half these packages I buy are just for him because he just loves the boxes. Honestly, my house is just full of these boxes and he just goes and sits in them. Although we do have a cat tree and stuff lying around. Don't know why he prefers these. Scamp. He's quite cute though. In any case, it doesn't look like he's going to be coming out anytime soon. So don't think I'm going to get to pack this away. But yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing, and hopefully I should have the Yeezy slides to have a look at them soon.